This is the Aiata Sunfinder 38, a world premiere here at the Düsseldorf Boat Show 2026, and having had a quick look round, I think it's definitely got a lot to offer. But I'll let you make that decision for yourself when we go and have a look around it in just a second. My name's Finn, and this is the Marine Channel. Now, whilst we've got the opportunity here at Düsseldorf, where the boats are all out of the water, you get to see what goes on under the waterline. So on this boat in particular, we have a lovely bow thruster under there. And coming back a little bit, not uncommon on boats these days, but you do have two big steps in the hull there, just to make it a bit more efficient. And whilst we're down here, I want to talk about this huge bathing ladder, carbon fibre. I don't know if you can just see that on there, but it just gives you really easy access in and out of the water. But let's go and have a look up the top here. Now this boat comes with a range of engines. These two very nice big Mercuries you can see here are the two 300s, and with these engines the boat will come in at about 330,000 euros before tax. You can also have two 400 options which will come in at about 360,000 euros before tax. But that gives you a top speed of around 53 knots. Let's have a look on board then. As we step on, you've got some lovely brand detailing all around the boat, making sure that you are proud to own one of these boats. Some lovely fake teak here as well, very grippy and comfy to walk on. This backrest here on this sofa, adjustable, so you can adjust what angle you want to sit at. And here is that opening we saw earlier then from the bathing ladder. Lovely and wide double doors there. Again, just brilliant access into the water. Let's spin around here to the seating area at the back. You've got, interestingly, two tables separated in the middle, but they are both high-low there, and some more big storage under the floor there. Coming forward again, we have this lovely sofa. Gorgeous colours on this boat, with these really sturdy pillars supporting that hard top, with this electrically extendable bimini, giving you great protection from the heat on those sunny days. Under here then, good storage. You'll see that a lot as we go through this boat. And of course, soft close. Look at that. A little sign of the quality, which again, you'll see as we go throughout. Coming up forward, you've got your wet bar here with a hob. Interestingly as well, lots of finger room. Thought I might trap my fingers in there. It's the little things. A griddle under there and a sink to the left, which would normally have a cover on it. And as you can see, that folds down to stow away nicely. Again, lots and lots of storage. I won't bore you with all of it, but there is lots and lots should you need it. Little side step here, just so if you needed to board side on, you can easily do that. Very thick, solid, gorgeous handrails and armrests here, which brings us on to the helm station. It's a bench. Some boats like this might have individual seats, but they've gone for a bench on this one, which I personally quite like. Little footrest under there, and another footrest on this side, and then as you come forward you get a great view right the way forward, and obviously it's 360 being quite an open boat, but lots of glass and barely any blind spots. Great big speaker system here, you can definitely party on this boat, and two big Simrad screens giving you all the information you need. A Mercury skyhook system, so you can lock the boat in its GPS position, very useful. And just look at that. Very serious helm station. Some good cup holders in here as well, and more lovely grab rails. Very big hatch that opens up, giving you very wide access down to the living area, and a glass panel that slides across here. Now let's go down here. Now I hadn't really heard much about these boats, but having had a look around this one, there is certainly a lot to offer. But you can see there a lovely big cabin with a big double bed in there. Great deal of natural light down here as well, from these two lovely big hull windows there and there. Plenty of storage again. You can chuck your clothes in there or in this little wardrobe here. Again, talking of light, you've got another vent up here giving you a bit of ventilation and more light, and another one of those just over here, and a nice little sofa as well to make it feel a bit more like home. But let's spin around entirely and have a quick look in the heads. It's an ensuite technically for the cabin, but it's also the day heads because there is only one on this boat. but it's very well finished in here. Not a lot of fiberglass, which is a sign of a good quality boat. Some lovely wood finishes on here and a lovely grey countertop on there. But all round, a very nice, practical boat. There's also a lovely big skylight up there to give you a bit of natural light whilst you're in here. Let's go and have a look up on the bow. Some nicely illuminated steps as you come up here. Very high sides as well, so you feel nice and safe when you're walking up. And just in case the seating area at the back wasn't enough, you've got another one up here. There's that window we saw from inside, but a big pad there in this bow seating area wrapping right the way around. Interestingly, quite a square bow, not as narrow as some boats, giving you just that bit of extra space so you can fit a few more across the back there. This table here folds in and out, so you can have either the wide version like this or the narrower version with this one here with the cup holders in it. Some more cup holders built into your seats, and as you can probably see there, the speaker system carries right the way forward up to the front. As we spin around then, you have a very aggressive looking window there, windscreen. Definitely means business, this boat. Feels like you could go through a lot of weather in it or have a good party. Looking right the way forward then, a little bit of teacup there, gives you a bit of grip if you need it. And under there as well is your anchor locker. Lots of good space in there. So there you have it, the Aiata Sunfinder 38. I think a really nice boat. Please let us know what you think in the comments below, leave some feedback. Certainly got a lot to offer, as I said, but hey, for the price, it's a very, very good boat. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. Any help is appreciated, and we'll leave the link in the description if you want to find out more about the brand, more about the boat. That's in the description below. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.